Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present about the hybrid traits inheritance. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Yukio Gilbert Lai from Grade 9 Junior High School of Gita Bangsa, and I am 14 years old. My hobby is swimming and designing something. In making this video, I encountered several obstacles that hindered the making of the video. One of the difficulties is I was struggling to make the script in English. Also, I was having difficulties with the mind maps. I was trying to make the mind map as good as possible in the last few days before this video. Besides the difficulty in making this video, I also have difficulty in making other midterm collaboration videos. I have difficulty in managing the time properly and correctly. I was struggling a lot in making videos for the best results. But from all the difficulties, I will be trying to present the material as best as possible. Let's start the presentation. In a family or lineage, it is certain that there will be at least one or even more inherited traits. This is known as inheritance or heredity. Inheritance or heredity itself is the inheritance of traits from parent to child or filial. In my own family, one of the most dominant traits passed down is eye color. My family has a dominant trait in the form of brown eye color, which is inherited from my grandparents. Beside me now, there is a mind map showing the inheritance of the most dominant trait in my family, namely eye color. Our family's eye color is passed down from my grandparents from my mom's side. My mother met and married person that is now my father, who happened to have the same eye color, which is brown. Then they got married and had two children, me and my sister. My sister and I have a dominant trait, which is brown eye color. My grandparents have two children, which is my mother and my uncle. My uncle married a woman who is now my aunt and has three children who are now my cousins. My uncle has brown eyes which are also inherited from my grandparents, and my uncle is married to a woman who also happens to have the same eye color. Their three children also passed down inherited traits, namely brown eye color. It can be concluded that my entire family has brown eye color and is an inherited dominant trait. My entire family is married to the same eye color line. This can be called as homozygous. Homozygous is an arrangement of genetics that have the same allele. In my family, all gene sequence have the same allele, which is brown eye color. Therefore, it is called homozygous. In the future, I will be marrying a partner for my life. Of course, I also want to pass down one of my dominant traits, namely the brown eye color that has been passed down from my grandparents. In order to pass down my character, I must have children first. Beside me, there is a dihybrid inheritance table that calculates the probability of my trait being inherited. It can be seen that XX small and YY capital is me with my cream skin and brown eyes, and capital XX and small YY is my partner with brown skin and green eyes. The possible traits that will be inherited from our marriage are X capital, X small, Y capital, and Y small. It can be concluded that the probability of our child's trait is brown skin dominant and brown eyes dominant, with a probability percentage of 100%. Again, this is just a possibility, but it will not be 100% going the way you want it to. The genetic makeup of my future child is called as heterozygous. Heterozygous is an arrangement of genes that have different alleles. I will be marrying to a different allele, which is brown skin and green eyes. Therefore, it is called heterozygous. Maybe that's all I can say about the hybrid inheritance. I hope my presentation can give you all benefits and blessings. I apologize for any grammatical errors that may offend the audience. That is all I can say, and thank you.